Hey guys, welcome to our channel Civil Engineering Guru. Hope you all are fine. As you all know that previously we have discussed different tests on soil. We have discussed moisture content test and different types of moisture content test. Today our topic is moisture content of soil by sand bath method. So move towards our today's topic. Sand bath method. Sand bath method is a field method conducted to determine the water content of the soil. This method is fast, but the result is not as accurate as the oven dry method. The procedure and calculation employed in the sand bath method to determine the water content of the soil are explained below. Material required for sand bath method. The materials required are sand bath containers or tray, heating equipment, spatula, scoop and small tools. Sand bath. This is a tray or a dish which is made of strong metal. The tray is a heat-proof dish that contains clean sand to a depth of 25 mm. Containers or tray. Moisture content containers are required for fine-grained soils. If the soil is coarser, heat-resistant trays of depth 50 to 70 mm and 200 to 250 mm square are employed. The range is fixed depending on the size and the quantity of the coarser material chosen. Heating equipment. Any heating equipment like paraffin pressure stove or electric hot plane or a bottle gas burner. Procedure for sand bath method. The sand method performs the following procedure. The soil sample is crumbled and is placed loosely over a tray. The weight of the sample plus the tray is determined and recorded as M2. The weight of the tray alone is recorded as M1. The sand bath is placed over some form of heating equipment. The soil sample with the tray is placed over the sand contained in the sand bath. Special care must be taken to avoid heating up of the tray. The sample is stirred continuously in order to avoid burning of the soil. To get an indication of overheating, crumbles of paper can be added to the soil sample. The sample can be checked whether it is completely dry by removing it from the heat and weighing the mass. After which, the sample is again heated for 15 minutes and weighed. If both the mass remains same, a variation of 0.1 grams for fine-grained soil, 0.5 grams for medium-grained soil and 5 grams for coarse-grained soil is acceptable. It indicates that the soil is completely dry. After drying, the sample is allowed to cool and the weight of the dry soil is taken as M3. The procedure is repeated for 3 trials and the average value is taken. Observation and calculation. Go through the table. The water content is obtained by the formula given below. Sand bath method employs high temperature that can affect the crystalline structure of the soil. Hence, it is not recommended for organic soils and soils with high gypsum content. If you guys enjoy our today's video, like, comment and share our today's video and previous videos. And subscribe our channel. Civil Engineering Guru. Help us grow more, thanks.